So, ito na yung ship na iniintay natin. Super laki niya. So, this is Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Seas. So, yung Royal Caribbean, ayun ay cruise line, tapos marami siyang mga ship. So, yung ship dito ang tawag ay Spectrum of the Seas. So, for those who are asking, or who would like to ask, ano yung work ko? I'm working as pakita natin. So, merong cart, dining, internet, photos. So, dito mo makikita, and then meron ka rin profile dito. Tapos, dito sa icon na to na ship, nandito yung mga essentials, shore, excursions, dining, internet. Tapos, merong sky bar dito. Ayan, start ng umandar yung barko, yung ship dito sa may Royal Caribbean. So from Hong Kong, pupunta kami ng Vietnam. And then this cruise will be for a total of 5 days. Natin. Ganda dito. So kapag nag-cruise kayo, buffet na siya. So may pagkain na kayo ng breakfast, lunch, and then dinner. Tapos may mga snacks din. So may kamahalan siya pero super sulit. Kasi that's for 5 days. Check ko kung magkano yung nagastos dito. Kasi kami, all expense paid siya ng boss namin. Pero I'll check the receipt para meron kayong idea kung magkano yung pag-cruise. And then sometimes, maganda din na mag-abang ng sale. Doon kami nag-check lagi sa vacations to go. So, papunta kami sa may breakfast, sa may Windjammer. Tama ba? Windjammer. Buffet. So, meron ding fine dining for breakfast or brunch and then dinner. Pero, doon na lang kami sa may buffet. Pakita ko sa inyo later yung buffet area. Daming tao. So, doon na lang ulit kami sa likod. Mga bread section. Itlog, sausage, bacon. Kuha ulit ako later. Tapos meron ditong mga noodles section.
Humba para sila dyan.
May ano?
Humba.
Humba. Saan?
Yun, pork stew dyan.
Pork stew. Actually, ang dami ko nang nakain. Pero gusto ko pang itry yung ibang food. Meron ditong noodle soup. Try na yung chocolate bar. Marinated olive.
And your dinner is at the Windjammer waiting for you.
We're up next.
Alright, please head to the exit at the top of the sports. Once again, if you enter, you get a free dinner from the sports staff.
She's the target.
That's it, he's going for it. Hit up, do it. Yes. That's it.
That's it.
Keep going, hit her again. That's it, all that is you guys, have it.
Luzon na yung sunset.
Wala nang sunset.
Sa likod. Piling ko nasa likod. So ayun, ang ganda guys. Grabe. Uy, sarap ng hangin. Nice ng hangin. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung pinaka fifth floor. Ay, fifth deck. Fifth deck. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda, di ba? So this is Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Seas. So yung Royal Caribbean, ayun ay cruise line. Tapos marami siyang mga ship. So yung ship dito ang tawag ay Spectrum of the Seas. Lamig, grabe. So yung price niya is per person 737.83 US dollars. So kapag convert natin siya into peso, 41,554 pesos. So ganun siya kamahal per person ha. So lahat kami, 21 kami lahat. So actually may hindi nakapunta na isa. So 20. So ganun kamahal per person. So may mga ano naman, may mga discounts naman sometimes. And actually discounted na nga to. So depende kung early kayo mag-book. Saya lang kasi I did not expect na ma-experience ko to for the fourth time. So yung first cruise ko was in 2023. Same cruise ship. Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Seas din. So yung pinuntahan namin noon is from Singapore, Malaysia, and then Thailand. Then back to Singapore. Ngayon, yung Royal Caribbean din 2026 January, no. So pinunta naman namin is from Hong Kong to Vietnam and back to Hong Kong. So yung pangalawang cruise ko, kung maalala ko ay wait lang. Ayun, pumunta kami sa from Canada naman yun to Alaska. Ayun, and then yung third cruise ko naman from Taiwan, pumunta kami ng Japan. So back to Taiwan. So ganun yung cruise. So I'm so happy and I'm so grateful na na-experience ko yung mga bagay na to. Grabe ang ganda ng view. Grabe, napaka-chill lang. Ayan o. Pakita natin yung sunset. Ayan. So may mga tao rin dito. Hello sir. Piña colada. And alcohol. Forgot. Was something cooler?
Key West cooler.
Key West cooler, do you have that? Siya.
Key West cooler, but there's no alcohol.
Yeah, sure. No alcohol. At pala naglagay ako ng wax. Sa taas ng hair ko.
Tayo muna.
Try ko daw yung
Mojito.
Wala na yung sunset. So ito na lang yung time na maabangan namin yung sunset. Pero hindi na siya masyadong makita. Pero kita pa rin naman din yung orangey na kalangitan. Yan. So for those who are asking or who would like to ask ano yung work ko, I'm working as a virtual assistant. So, yung client ko is a US-based client. Basically, it's a business in the United States and I'm working at night as a healthcare virtual assistant. So, nag-a-assist kami and nag-work ako sa clinic sa United States, specifically sa psychiatric clinic, outpatient. So, I'm a pharmacist by profession. So, healthcare related. Ayun, so I'm so glad, I'm so grateful na nag-cross yung path namin ng client ko. Ayan. Kasi without her, without him, yung their couple actually, they're our bosses. Parang hindi ko ma-experience lahat ng ito. So, kung babalikan ko lahat, ang dami ko na napuntahan eh. And most of the time, sila talaga yung may sagot. Like, when I started working for them, way back in 2022, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, ang dami ko na napuntahan na different places because of them. So that's why I'm so very grateful talaga. So I've been for 4 cruises already. So yun nga yung binanggit ko kanina. Dun sa Royal Caribbean, MCS, cruises. Tapos I forgot lang yung pangalawa. Norwegian Jewel na try ko din. Yung from Canada to Alaska. Imagine that. Nakapunta ako sa United States. Different states ng US. So sagot nilang lahat. Grabe. I'm so grateful, more than grateful for what I have. So I'm very satisfied. So I hope and I pray na mas lumago pa yung business nila. So I'll try my best na, of course, I will try and do my best para mas maging successful yung business nila. Because you cannot find a client like this. Diba? So, sobrang 21 kami lahat, imagine that, nagpa-cruise, diba? Parang, Tapos on top of the bonuses and all. So, grabe, sobrang generous nila. So, super generous. Wala akong masabi. That's why I'm so very thankful talaga. Pagbabalikan ko, grabe ako ka-bless. Tapos I'm working 4 times a week. Monday to Thursday. So 10 hours per day, which is not bad kasi I have 3 days off. Ang ganda, grabe. I can't believe that this will happen to me. Ayan. So meron doon ayan one of the activities. Marami kasi activities dito. So hindi na ako nag-avail kasi yung iba may mga bayad din. Tapos kung mapapansin mo dito, different nationalities talaga yung seafarer, like yung mga nag-work. So sa name tag nila makita mo Indonesian, Philippines, Korea. So iba't ibang countries yung origin ng mga workers dito. So very diverse, kaya nakakatuwa din to communicate with them, 'di ba? I'm so happy. I can't contain my happiness deep inside because of the things that I'm experiencing na alam ko hindi ko kaya for now. That's why thanks God in everything. I'm praying na maging successful and good to have a good health for my client, for my bosses. Yun. Truly our bosses blessing for us. Dito, meron silang app, Royal Caribbean app, ayan, RCL or Royal Cruise Line. Tapos dito merong mga cart, pakita natin. So merong cart, dining, internet, photos. So dito mo makita and then meron ka rin profile dito. Tapos dito sa icon na to na ship, nandito yung mga essentials, shore excursions, dining, internet, and then yung mga things to do. Ayan, kung mapapakita nyo. May VIP passes, spa and wellness, celebrations, photo, fitness, room delivery on board, activities, entertainment, gifts and gear, shops. Sobrang dami. Ito ba yung akin? Ay, tama. Share natin. Social. Tingnan natin yung mga entertainment. Ayan. So sa entertainment na tab, makikita ninyo, ayan, mayroong musical.
Order an Applebee's.
Can I have a straw please? Thank you. Dyan. Thank you so much. Let's go here sa may pool area. Merong bantay naman dito. Wala nga nag-swimming. Tapos merong sky bar dito. Ayan. Meron din dun sa taas ng bar. Nandun sila yung mga workmates ko, friends ko. So dito may playground area para sa mga bata. Tapos actually, meron ding indoor pool. Ayan. Puntahan nga natin. Hindi ko lang sure kung so quickly puntahan lang natin yung indoor pool kasi baka mawalan na tayo ng chance na mag-visit dito next time. So ito yung indoor pool nila. So meron nagsiswimming. Meron din lifeguard ba yan? Tapos meron din jacuzzi, dalawa dito. Meron din jacuzzi sa labas na dalawa. Tapos dito yung mga towels. So may mga lounges dito. Maraming upuan. Tayo sa another pool area. So dito sa may Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Seas, meron siyang capacity na 4,246 guests. Pero sabi dito at double occupancy but can hold a maximum of 4,905 passengers. So may mga nagsiswimming din. Pero may jacuzzi rin dito na isa, tapos may pool. Tapos may bar ulit dito. Actually maraming bar. Kasi ito na yung pinakaharapan ng barko. Ayan. So ito na yung pinaka unahan ng barko. So we're going back to Hong Kong na. Kasi galing kami sa Vietnam. So balikan ko lang yung mga kasama ko. Kanya-kanyang enjoy na kasi last day na. Nakakapagod kasi ngayon lang ako actually nagkaroon ng chance na maglibot-libot. Last day na, 5th day na. Tama ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pang 5th day na. Kasi yung day 3 and day 4, mayroon kami excursion like may bus tour na pumunta kami sa iba't ibang places sa may Vietnam. Sarap. Sarap mag-travel. Say hi. Tambay. So we are in the fine dining here in Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Seas. Ito yung menu. So pwede kang pumili ng kahit ilan dyan. Basta kahit nga hindi mo maubos, okay lang.